Nature Nugget! Hi, buddy. It's Wednesday. It's cold and windy. Come here, guys. Anybody who says that dogs are stupid, they're stupid. Because these dogs are not coming today. He gets his feet wet, but that's about it. Yeah, that's as far as they go. Haven't been doing many videos in the last week or so. Hi, buddy. Between the weather and just being busy, just didn't do any videos. Alright, guys, barely even got here. So, over this way, baby girl. A whole flock of birds out there on the water. Usual peace and quiet here. Hey, buddy. He's so full of energy. Right? Yeah, I know. It's been a while since you guys got out. I'm sorry. That's as far as you're going, huh, dude? Nugget of heaven, our hat place. Wednesday, November, I don't know, something, 14th, 15th, I don't even know. It's Wednesday. I know Veterans Day was just Monday, so anyway, hope everybody has a great day. I know I will now.